So I'm paying this guy to do my fence. And he doesn't even have the tools, but he wants to charge me $150. I have the tools, so I'm going to give him $100 because he should have been prepared, like me. I just put this blade in by myself, and it was easy. I just open this and pop that in. Now I just got to take the rest of the blades out and put them in this little container right here. It's hard to get into. Okay, this plastic was so hard to get it out of, but I finally got it out. And these are the saw. So this one says, excuse me, heavy duty. So I think we're going to use this on the wood, but I think it says you can use it on, wood nails, metal, wood with nails, and metal. So I'm going to put this one in there. And then the rest of these, oh, they already had some in here. I got these from Harbor Freights. But this one is heavy duty too. Oh, it's telling you what you can use it on. Well, or the blade size. Wood with nails. This one. It's telling you what you can use it for. Wood with nails for this one. So this one is what? This one is wood with nails too. But I'm going to put the big one in there. This little one is for metal. Oh, so you would think the bigger one is for metal, but the smaller one is for metal. And this one is for metal too. Those are the same. And like a little case. That's cute, huh? The one I had in there was wood with nails. So we're going to leave this one in there.
See, I'm going to set this on the bottom and put a line on it.
Uh-huh.
And I'm just going to cut it. This it's going to be this height.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay. All right. So he said he don't want to use mine, so let me get out these men's way. Oh.
You want to take a picture, man? Just take it. No problem. Because you got this one.
Well, it really wasn't working right, but you can fix it. You can fix it to work right.
This one?
Yeah.
Because this is from inside. Look.
Right. But it really wasn't working right. That's why. Yeah, and see, that's bent. So I was going to just take this out and just put these on there. You see what I'm saying?
Yes.
Oh, it's cold out here.
Yes, I just wonder.
Yeah.
Yeah, I make this one to work. Man.
Okay. So you don't need.
I put this over here if you want.
Yeah.
Yeah. So so you can put like a 2x4.
Yeah.
2x4 in there or something.
Yeah.
You got something over here? No.
I'll get something later.
Okay.
Yeah. All right.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to move this back a little bit.
Okay.
Yeah, I fix it so you can close it, okay?
All right, thank you.
We're gonna have to do it, just bring like a 2x4 so we can put it over here.
Okay.
Or if you want me to find some of these and one straight.
Yeah, that one didn't work out too good.
No?
No, I didn't like that one. That's why I bought these.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Because see this screw is the one with, but this one is.
So we won't worry about that one because when I get this will keep it straight. Yeah.
I'm probably gonna have to move this one back a little bit because if this one don't come in here.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna.
Okay.
Or just cut and just grind it a little bit.
Okay.
Here, but yeah, we need. Oh, here is it. Because I was looking for a 2x4, but I couldn't find it.
Yeah, I know. I wonder if this will fit. I wonder if this will fit in here.
Let's see. 32 long.
So this was not gonna fit.
Yeah, but see?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Got to be straight.
Yeah, I gotta be straight.
Yeah.
It's gonna be the same thing. So this thing don't let the door go that way.
Right.
But I'm gonna fix this so you can. Well, I mean, this is not gonna work anyway.
Yeah. Yeah.
This one also.
You can just take that one off if you want to.
This one?
Yeah, because I had put that on myself thinking it would work, but I know it doesn't work.
No.
Yeah.
And this one, if you wanna work, I can put this one on the other side and this work better.
On the other side.
Yeah.
Well, no, because it won't make sense if they. No, not that one.
Because see, when you lock this, because this is on this side, let the door go. Okay.
Oh, I see what you're saying.
Right.
Okay.
Yeah, see, if you put this, if we put this in this side, it's gonna hold it.
Okay. Can you push this down?
Yes.
The nail down
Yes.
here and here, because they just gonna pop back out.
Yeah, let me get my hammer.
Okay. Okay. He probably should have put these closer, like right in here. You know what I'm saying? So it wouldn't need a big piece of wood. Yeah, he should have put those closer together. But that ain't what 6 inches, 7 inches. Let me see.
So you sure you want to take this one out?
Take that one. Take that one out. Can we use this wood? Probably won't work.
The what?
Can we use this wood in the little handle thing?
On these things?
Yeah.
It's gonna be too thin anyway.
Oh, it's gonna be too thin.
Yeah,
Okay.
You need like the 2x4. I think I got pieces in my house.
Okay.
I can bring it, one time, and we put it in there, and
Okay.
I just give it to you so you can use it.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah, like I say, if you want to change this one, I can change it right now. So
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. You can go ahead and change it.
So you don't be.
Yeah.
Yeah, I was thinking, because this thing, when you close it, anyway, it's gonna
Yeah.
push it back. But if you put it outside, But anyway, I'm gonna bring you the 2x4, okay?
Okay.
I think
All
I
right.
gotta cut this.
Yeah, it's kept coming loose too. But somebody put it like that so it wouldn't come back out. And something was digging down in the bottom. Okay. But I think this one is okay for now. I'm not sure.
Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Get it. Coming. Hit the bottom. Right here. Now the top. Okay, hold on.
Did it go in?
Give me the camera.
Uh-oh.
You're out of this thing, man.
Yeah, it's old.
Yeah. Okay, it's right here on the yeah. Okay. Okay, now the screws, hijo.
What's it called?
Bro, where you at? Right here. Right here. Right on the... Yeah, right here. On the studs. Yeah. Okay.